think you got full story of my origin. Though I told you in past, but I want to tell you my past is mysterious. You can't tell wherever I was born what's true or false. I could be lying to you right now, or I don't be lying to you right now. See, I'm a bit of a calm man. See, I'm a mysterious person in mysterious ways, but you can't tell anything weird about me. Though I have many variants. Yes, variants. Variants of a multiverse. That's right. That's very right. You know, I have multiple variants. Like, like, I even lost count. But I'm very mysterious in every way, but you cannot get a single detail because gonna make sure, I'm gonna make sure that my past remains mysterious. So, I will focus on future, present, not the past, of course. But before, before I go, something you should definitely know. Oh, you think you've seen everything, but you haven't seen everything yet. A series of natural disasters will occur. I will tell you one or three dates. We got June 30th, 2029. And also another one in 2034 on May 25th. And you got the last one on November 14th. No, it was last week 13th. 2049. So you gotta mark those calendars up because free, free, unfortunate events are coming. They are coming. They're coming for me. And I'm gonna wrap it to 2030s. I mean, like, I need to create something in order to establish and chaos. That's my goal, and that's always been my goal to create anarchy. Like I should be creating anarchy right now, but instead I'm talking to you, viewers. Now I'm gonna get this video 20K views. You promise? Or pick a promise. I know for rules. I know for rules. I know for rules. So, do we have a deal? Get this video 20K. If you enter this much, or else, you will suffer a consequence for your actions. See, I'm a bit political, but that's all I'm gonna pass. See ya in November 13th. Sorry about it. Just sometimes I have something I need to get rid of my throat. Ciao.